These lines can make your lifelines. Yes, it is definitely a zebra crossing. Zebra crossing is protected prestigiated crosswalk designated by zigzag lines. Their white pens and black lines are called as zebra crossing. Yeah, do not use your head to gain a minute. We need our head, our brain, and in it.
Thousands of road accidents are taking place every year, and many lose their lives in them. Out of these road accidents, many are caused because of the carelessness of the victims. By the word carelessness, I mean lack of concentration while driving or distraction off the road, drunken drive, usage of mobile phones while driving, etc. It's time to correct ourselves, educate yourself and your society about the proper behavior while you drive.
Overspeed is a knife that cuts life. Fast drive could be a last drive. In last 2019, India, 86,241 people have died and 2,71,581 people are injured due to overspeed. So we have to definitely decline this data due to overspeed. So don't avoid speed limits.
Follow traffic signals. Obey speed limits. Don't drink and drive. Avoid phone calls while driving. Wear helmets while driving two-wheelers. So that's it. Stay alert. Stay alive.
Responsible driving is the most important one. We should not risk our life by working against them. Traffic rules are made for our protection only. Parents must teach about the traffic safety and rules at a very young age. In the end, I would be request you to be the responsible driver and the citizen too, for the sake of our protection and the other people on the road.
All of us are aware of the many accidents taking place daily. But how many of us know that most of these accidents are caused because of overloads in trucks, lorries, and goods carrying vehicles? Overloads may cause loss of steering control on road, and it may even cause the burst out of tires. Because of these effects, the accidents caused and the injuries the victims get are so terrible and worse. Let's start from today and spread the awareness among the people about these types of accidents and make them aware.
Road accidents can be easily prevented if people are just a little bit more attentive and careful towards their surroundings. Road safety does not only prevent accidents. Normal speed meets every need.
India's road network is the second biggest in the world. Traffic signals can give you important information that can ensure your safety nowadays. There has been too much of increase in vehicles on road and it become critical that we follow the law, rules and save ourselves. Also making other people aware on road safety rules can lower chance of accidents.
Is usually taught to school children but not to college students or office goer. The 70% of accidents in our road is caused due to irresponsible violation of traffic rules. The major traffic rules are traffic signal, zebra signal, hand signal. These are the traffic rules we have to follow.
Road safety can be easily prevented if the people are just a little bit more attentive and careful towards their surroundings. Road safety does not only prevent the accidents but also aims to minimize the seriousness of the accidents or injuries caused. Road safety aims to prevent the people, but unless the people themselves are aware of it, then nothing can be done.
Think safety, it couldn't hurt. The slogan reinforces the idea that their primary objective and yours is to think about known risks in the workplace and to avoid a painful accident and injuries. Remind them members to maintain, remind them the team members to maintain safety protocols at all the times.
Road safety must be paid proper attention by each and every person on the earth. Over 15,000 accidents occur every year. The primary reason of these accidents are negligence of road safety norms and traffic signs. It is necessary that every people should be aware of these rules and traffic signs. These are some traffic signs that we should be aware of.
Obey traffic rules. Practice short
quick glance and prolonged starting. Conduct personal grooming before and after reaching. Start focused and alert at all times. Don't attempt to change the course while driving.
India has 1% of vehicle population but accounts for 10% of accidents every year. This is because the people are not aware about the traffic rules at the grassroots level. So it is our duty to teach people about road safety measures when we find time. So do follow the road safety rules every time you go out. Stay safe even when you are not at home.
Traffic laws are the laws which govern traffic and regulate vehicles, while rules of the road are both the laws and the informal rules that may have developed over time to facilitate the orderly and timely flow of traffic. There are some basic traffic rules and equity. Drive at a safe speed. Maintain a safe distance between vehicles. Do not cut off other vehicles. Keep your eyes on the road. Do not stop or park on the expressway. Do not drive on the shoulder. Leave passing lanes open. Expressway or one-way traffic. Traffic laws are more important because they keep people safe. A motor vehicle is a dangerous and deadly weapon in the wrong hands. The safety of all road users depends on all motors following a precise set of rules. Approximately 5 million collisions and crashes happen in America each year.
முக்கியமான பிரச்சனைகளில் சாலை விபத்தும் ஒன்று. சாலை விபத்துக்கான முக்கியமான காரணங்களில் வேகமாக வண்டி ஓட்டுறதும் சத்தமான ஹார்ன் உபயோகப்படுத்துறதும் தான். சத்தமான ஹார்ன் உபயோகப்படுத்துறது மற்ற வாகன ஓட்டிகளுக்கு இடையூறாக இருக்கிறதுனால சாலை விபத்துகள் பல நிகழுது. அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் ஒலி மாசும் ஏற்படுது. சத்தமான ஹார்ன் நாய்ஸ் இன்டியூஸ்ட் ஹார்ட் டிசீசஸ், அதாவது ஒலியால் உருவாக்கப்படுகின்ற இருதய நோய்க்கான முக்கியமான காரணமாக இப்போ இருக்கின்ற காலத்தில் ஒன்றா இருக்குது. அதனால் சத்தமான ஹார்ன் உபயோகப்படுத்துறதை தவிருங்க.
Never drink and drive. Wear seat belts. Keep a distance between two vehicles. Avoid distractions while driving. Always drive within speed limit. Do not overlap the speed. Do not cut off other vehicles. If you want to turn left-hand, you must stay on the left side before taking a turn.
Figures concerning the road accidents that happen annually are quite alarming. This makes road safety a very crucial issue, especially in our country. Therefore, in order to practice road safety, parents must try their best to teach their children about traffic rules. Moreover, they must be taught to follow these rules obediently. Similarly, there is a road safety week which is celebrated in many metro cities of India annually. Over here, various departments.
Road safety awareness. Road safety is must to be paid proper attention by each and every person on the earth, whether using vehicles or not. Children and students are the most vulnerable groups towards the road accident, minor or major injuries and even death because of the lack of adult supervision. There should not be late in making children well aware about the road safety rules and measures in their early ages. It should be the duty of parents and teachers to teach them properly, use their nice supervision.
We must follow the traffic signals because it's clearly mentioned red, yellow and green, which we should follow the lights, and we need to follow the signals, the signs which they gave in roads like zebra crossing, U-turn, no parking. We should follow the rules, and we must wear helmet compulsory while going two-wheeler, and we must wear seat belt while going to car.
There is a speed limit for each and every vehicle. A speed limit avoids accidents and also causes air pollution. When engine gets heat, air pollution causes. So obey the traffic rules. Go slow, safe ride.
The value of road rules and traffic signs must not be ignored. By law, any driver on the road must be knowledgeable about the traffic rules and traffic signs. Rules of road regulation, they are as follows. If you want to take a left turn, then you have to stay on the left side before taking a turn. If you want to turn right ahead, you have to be at the center of the road and then gradually take a right turn.
Green means go. Only when the signal turns green, we have to move our vehicle. Red means to stop. When the traffic light turns red, we have to stop our vehicle. Yellow means to slow down our speed. When the traffic light turns yellow, we have to slow down our vehicle and ready to stop.
Traffic rules are in place so that all drivers can function amongst one another in a civil manner and safely navigate our streets and highways. The biggest problem that I view in today's traffic is the lack of strict enforcement of the traffic laws and vehicle code violations, no matter how minor the infraction is. The more that drivers are aware that they are constantly getting away with breaking the rules and not getting caught and cited, the more it expands to other drivers.
It is necessary for everyone to be aware of traffic signs and road rules. Traffic signs provide us with important instruction and information on the condition of roads. They not only help in smooth flow of traffic but also guide and warn people on how they should conduct themselves while on the roads. So, start early, drive slowly and reach safely.
Traffic rules, the most easy one to follow is to obey traffic signals, which is even taught from cages and which is a one easily neglected. Neglecting traffic signals is the main root cause of many accidents that are taking place in our country. So, it will be good for us and everybody if we follow the traffic rules and mainly obey the traffic signals.